Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your basics so you can rule out easy causes fast. Check that your device has an IP and working DNS, then disable VPNs, proxies, and browser extensions. Once done, try another website to see if the error is universal or specific. If other sites load, focus on the target host. If nothing loads, move to router and DNS checks next. This narrows the problem so you spend time fixing the right layer. Once local checks are done, probe the network path and the host. Ping and traceroute to locate where packets stop, then test the service port with Telnet or Netcat to confirm the server is listening. Make sure your browser isn't blocking mixed content or enforcing HSDS when switching ports. If you see timeouts, reboot the router and clear your DNS cache. If the port is refused, the server or firewall likely closed it. These actions isolate routing versus now resolve the refusal by fixing service or filtering. On the server, restart the application, confirm it binds to the right IP and port, and review logs for errors. Inspect firewall rules on server, router, and your machine. Explicitly allow the port and protocol. Once rules and service are correct, retest from a different network to exclude ISP or local NAT issues. If it still fails, that one key troubleshooting tip: test via a mobile hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.